between what we had decided, cashew nuts has been reduced from 12 to 5%. There are several food items, packaged food, which were historically charged at 18%. These include some fruit and vegetable products, pickles, murabba, chutney, ketchups, mustard salt, topping spread over sauces, instant food mixes. A number of these items, a list will be given to you so that there is no error in reporting, were historically charged at 18%, are now being reduced to 12% because many of them are used by common people. Kajal from 28% to 18, agarbatti from 12 to 5, dental wax from 28 to 18, an important item, insulin, from 12 to 5%, plastic beads, 28 to 18, plastic tarpaulin from 28 to 18. Now, historically, school bags were always at 28%. Now, this optically also doesn't look fair. So, this has been reduced to 18. Children's coloring and drawing books, 12%, reduced to nil. Computer printers from 28 to 18. Ball bearings from 28 to 18. So, there is a long list of items which has been reduced. The rate of 28% will be maintained for all cinema tickets above rupees 100. Next meeting of the council will be on next Sunday at 11:30 at the same venue. I take it that all of them have a turnover, if they are so small, less than 75 lakhs a year. So all they have to do is to pay 1% or 2% as composition. I don't know what is the level of preparedness required for that. You require an honest intent for that.